Hi, my name's Tony and I'm from Curry's PC World, and I'm going to show you how to install your new condenser dryer. First thing is, you must make sure you remove all the packaging from outside, and then once that's done, open the door and make sure the packaging from inside has been removed, also the instructions and everything else. The next thing you need to do is get the plug, and then you plug it in. Could be up above or down below. So the next thing you need to do is level the machine. Ideally, if you've got a spirit level, that's the best way to do it. Put the spirit level on top, slightly tilt the machine backwards, adjust the left hand foot first, and then adjust the right hand foot. Once you've done that, you're ready to go.